Hello and welcome back. So as we can see, the journey starts already interesting way, where is already some of the challenges in front. So I'm here to resume the journey. So again, I start from Dova, from the place I finished filming on that bridge, if you remember, guys. And now I'm here heading as well towards 20 kilometers already done so far. It's just the first challenge which stops me, and then basically where I'm walk, there's no point really to get dirty. It's just at the very start. So I just got back a week later now. So as I expect from that crazy journey, I get ill. So, and literally it took me the whole week to get back. The biggest problem was throat. There was no like temperature or something, but a nose, blocked nose. Ooh, so I couldn't fall asleep, sleep bad, and I was like tired, super tired because of the lack of sleep. I had to go work. I was working, I didn't take any offs, and at the same time I have to plan as well this journey. So what I'm gonna say, it was a rough week, but I'm fully back again, recovered, healthy. So that was in the past, and now here the road conditions is pretty good. There is no a lot of mountains. So basically in those 20 kilometers was few massive ones, but that's all. It was just a few. And what's waiting ahead as well, pretty much flat surface, that kind of road, mixture of gravel, mountain bike and a hiking path. So I picked this time the most challenging roads I can take. For example, like I'm going on this road, I could basically go on the asphalt, like just a little example. So what I'm aiming today, to get 91 kilometer. It's already pre-planned, and I just basically I want to complete this because there is a specific location where I want to sleep, and then I have planned something for the next day. But because because of this time I've started quite late. It's already 2:30 in the evening, so it is a big challenge. I don't have a lot of stops, but also on this few days journey I will be supported again, so I'm going ultralight this time. So so I have I've plenty of clothes, learn from my mistakes. So triple as that I took now. Also what I've upgraded and learned basically, because I've destroyed my shoes, 2 pairs. And it was like a rainy day, muddy day, so I had not even enough time to dry out and at the McDonald's, and then basically that was the reason that I got ill. Like, it just out of multiple reasons, this is probably was the main one, because my cold was feet was cold and wet, because trousers and the upper part, it was the waterproof, everything with that was fine. It was, I would say, unsuitable trousers, because I can see and feel the wear and tear, and there is already holes like to the place like of my cheeks, and I can see visible on my trousers. So in terms of feet, I bought the Army one, the waterproof socks. Never tried this before, but I've researched about this. It's called Seal Skins, the company called. So the comments and then the reviews about these socks is okay. So they are waterproof, so that's a main benefit. But I'm not sure, some people were saying that it's not really, your feet's not really breathing. So we'll see about that basically, because it is important. So sorted that. I have multiple socks. Basically this waterproof will be on the rainy conditions and then windy conditions basically, so it's just like kind of like emergency set. Other than that, also I've changed the brake pads. Apparently on that rough road I need to change much more often the brake pads. So I have now brand new about the brake pads. There is not much to say. The organic ones, so with mixture of some different metals. It is like the expensive ones, so even though if they are get wet, so they not like squeak, and then they pretty much on hard conditions they are good to go basically. That's like a short story about this without going into much details. There's people saying as well, because I had before the metallic ones. Metallic ones is okay, because they could handle and they have much power, braking power, but they need time to warm up to get the actual performance to the right conditions basically. But about this one is a bit weaker, but it do the job. So what people were saying, if you change the brake pads, you need to change the disc brakes as well to get the ultimate performance. But so I still can feel a little bit resistance. It's not really aligned properly, but it's do the job. I can feel much more now confidently on the road, so I can easily achieve a much more better performance on the sharp turns. Other than that, weather conditions seems the whole day will be alright. No rain, it's just a bit windy. Wind, it's from like that side basically. It's not the best for a cyclist to go. It's a challenge. So, and it's gonna be a whole day like that. But because I do turn to turn, I'm not really going there seaside basically. I'm not really going like by the seaside, but there is like a bit like a tunnels as well to get avoided that crazy wind where is mountain biking trails. So I'm using that chance and I'm going on the mountain biking trails. So that's pretty much about the first day, what's gonna wait in front. And on the second day, it's gonna be a crazy day, as the weather shows 80% rain whole day. So I start from the 11 night today, so today I will go as much as I can to cover a longer distance in the dry conditions. So yeah, so tomorrow will be the crazy day, raining, wind, and also I'm still looking, I'm not sure how I'm gonna do with the road, but there is an island called Shippey Island, so I want to visit that island. But I've checked it, even if you are a hiker, a runner, cyclist, there is only one path, and there it's hard to go all around basically. There is no suitable paths to go all around. Yeah, that's about the island. Also, in case I'm not gonna make it I'm not gonna find the solution to go all around the island, so I will skip the island and I will go in front. But there is a massive river, and there is a ferry. The ferry as well is it's not really the best way they're going. The opening times is not suitable to me, but if I don't want to cross, I have to go a lot to go inside and then get back and then go again. It sounds just an extra collecting the kilometers, but in case of the road will be alright, I'm gonna do that, so I'm not gonna transfer with the ferry. I'm not in the rush to complete the whole journey around the United Kingdom, but we'll see about this. And the third day I haven't planned anything, and there will be just basically actions, just like on the spot. We'll try to get as much as I can kilometers, and then we'll see something interesting I didn't have time yet to think of, but we'll see about this. So that's the long update. So far I've done 25 kilometers, going pretty smooth, roads okay as well. Finally I can see again on the road cyclists and the runners. Last time when I was, there was none, but now I can see people already open their seasons. Yeah, see you soon. 48 kilometers done out of 91 kilometer. Been driving for a quite long time in such a nice places. There is no words to describe feeling and the views, so just enjoy and watch.
Oh
night ride. 61 kilometer out of 91. 30 kilometers left. Absolutely nice place to drive. Very quiet, not many people around. There is some lovers still walking, but yeah, it just literally very nice. Can't really see, but it is on my right side is the sea, and on the other side is like a river or something. So it's really nice. Enjoy. So what I've changed it, so on this called winter mode, put on those waterproof socks, a winter jacket, and now I'm in fully comfortable temperature and just enjoy the night ride.